Have you ever wondered how to create a Shopify store with Nowasys? Shopify is a top-tier e-commerce platform, and Nowasys is your key to unlocking its potential. Nowasys makes the process of creating a Shopify store simple and straightforward. To create your Shopify store with Nowasys, you need to follow a few steps. First things first, set up your Nowasys account. It's a straightforward process, just like signing up for any other online service. Once you're all set with your Nowasys account, it's time to choose your Shopify template. Don't be overwhelmed by the variety. Each template is designed to cater to different business needs. Pick one that resonates with your brand, and you're good to go. Next, it's all about customization. Make your store unique by adding your brand colors, logo, and other design elements. This is where you get to let your brand personality shine, so have fun with it. Let's move on to adding products. This is as simple as uploading product images, setting prices, and writing product descriptions. Remember, high-quality images and compelling descriptions can make a world of difference. Now, it's time to set up your payment and shipping options. Shopify supports a wide range of payment gateways and shipping options to make transactions smooth for you and your customers. Finally, once you've completed all these steps, hit the publish button and voila! Your Shopify store is live, and there you have it. Your Shopify store is up and running. But why choose Nowasys for your Shopify store? Nowasys offers simplicity, a wealth of customization options, and exceptional customer support. It lets you pour your energy into your business, handling the tech side for you. With Nowasys, you can manage your Shopify store with ease and efficiency. So, are you ready to launch your online business? Now is the time to start building your Shopify store with Nowasys. It's not just about earning dollars, it's about expanding your business horizons. Start creating your Shopify store with Nowasys today. Your online business journey begins now.